Emojis are an essential part of digital communication now, especially of social media conversation. In simple language, emojis are the symbols that help you express your feelings. According to a study, 92% of people use emojis daily. In this video, we have covered these 15 most commonly used emojis in the world. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Have a look. This emoji is known as thinking face. This is one of the most commonly used emojis. This emoji is used to convey the thoughtfulness of the person. So use it when you are in a deep thought. That is, you are thinking about the thing said by your conversation partner. Now look at this. This emoji is known as shushing face emoji. This shushing face emoji is used when disclosing some secret information and asking the listener to be quiet about it. So use this shushing face emoji when you are telling someone a secret and you want them not to reveal it to others. Now have a look at this. This emoji is known as smiling face with hearts. This smiling face with 3 hearts symbolizes love and affection. So use this emoji when you love what your texting partner is saying or writing. Now the most popular emoji is this. We call this emoji rolling on the floor laughing. This emoji is used to convey that something said is not just funny, but it is so funny that it has compelled you to roll on the floor laughing. So use it when you're laughing very, very much. Now look at this emoji. This emoji is known as smiling face with open hands and also known as hugging face. You can show feelings such as excitement, enthusiasm, thanks, support, care, affection, or gratitude by using this emoji. You can't ignore this emoji. This emoji is known as pensive face. The adjective pensive means sad. So this emoji is used to express sadness and melancholy. So use it when you are sad, regretful, lonely, or disappointed. And you can't also neglect this one. This emoji is known as smiling face with smiling eyes. You can use this emoji when you blush and smile slightly. It's also used to show that you're satisfied, grateful, or simply happy. Now one of the top emojis is this one. This emoji is called smiling face with sunglasses. It's used to indicate that you're cool, easygoing, and carefree. That is, you're simply Mastamola. Now look at this one. This emoji is known as face screaming in fear. Feelings such as fear, fright, horror, shock, excitement, and other intensive feelings are expressed by this emoji. Do you want to express your excitement? Yes? Then this emoji is just for you. This emoji is known as grinning face with star eyes. If you want to suggest that something is amazing, exciting, or just pretty dang fabulous, then use this emoji. You sometimes let your cries out when texting. So look at this emoji. It's called loudly crying face. When you use this weeping and crying face in your conversation, it lets your texting partner know that you're crying, you're unhappy, you're sad. This face with heavy tears shows that you can't control your cries. Do you get angry when texting? Then this emoji will be helpful for you. We call this emoji enraged face, also known as pouting face. You can use this red face and angry eyed emoji when something gets your blood boiling and you can become extremely angry. Did you ever share tasty food items when texting? Then this emoji will help you express your feelings about it. It's known as face savoring food. When someone sends you the picture of some delicious food, you can use this emoji to let the other person know that the food item they've sent is yummy and tasty. Do you feel like sleeping while texting? Then use this emoji. This emoji is known as sleeping face. This emoji is used when you're feeling sleepy or the topic that you're discussing is boring. So use this emoji when you're having a conversation on any social media platform and you want to go to bed. Now the last important emoji is this one. This is known as zipper mouth emoji, and this is used to convey a secret. And this one roughly translates to my lips are sealed or you need to seal your lips. That is, you can't let the secret be known by others.